With aquama, disinfect any surfaces using the Hogeron by filling your spray or jug with the aquama app. Once close by the machine, turn it on using the side switch. Wait for it to boot up. Open the side compartment and add in the salt if needed. To fill up your spray, turn on Bluetooth. Open the aquama app. Select the machine, then press continue. Choose the spray option and the number of sprays to fill. Press refill, then start. The dosage is automatic. You can also use the RFID card. The refill is instantaneous. To fill up a jug, take the pump. Lock the trigger with the red hook. This time on the app, select nozzle and the number of liters. Then press refill, then start, and fill up your jug. The dosage is also automatic. Release the trigger. Again, you can also use the RFID card. And that's how you serve yourself on the Hogeron. For more information or questions, consult the help and tutorial section on the aquama app.